In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do external rotation of the shoulder with a dumbbell with your elbow supported on your knee. So firstly, you'll notice here that I'm on a bench. You can do this variation on the floor if you would like. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the dumbbell, I'm going to bring my foot onto the bench, and now I'm going to bring my elbow into a position where it's supported on my knee. With my free hand, I'm going to grab the bench. That means now I can keep myself nice and upright, as well as keep myself balanced during the exercise. I'm going to start off with my knuckles facing towards the camera here, and what I'm going to do is then finish with my knuckles facing towards the ceiling. So I'm going to be utilising that range of motion, and I've got that elbow supported on the knee, which means that I've got one less thing to think about when I'm doing my external rotations. You're going to keep both phases of the movement really slow and try to keep your wrist completely straight as you do the exercise. What you might see is as you come up, if you're lacking external rotation, you might try and cheat by extending the wrist. So try to keep that wrist completely straight even if you can't do the full range of motion. Once you've done that, you would repeat exactly the same on the other side, and then that would be how you would do external rotation of the shoulder with your elbow supported on your knee.